Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we are going to demystify a term you'll see all over thermodynamics steam tables, VFG. It might look confusing, but it's actually a very simple and powerful concept. Let's break it down. To understand VFG, we first need to understand its parts, V, F, and G. The V stands for specific volume, which is just a fancy way of saying the amount of space a certain mass of a substance takes up, like cubic meters per kilogram. Now, let's think about a pot of water on a stove. The subscript F stands for fluid, representing the saturated liquid state. This is the point where the water is at its boiling temperature, but it's still 100% liquid, right before the first bubble of steam appears. The specific volume at this point is called VF. On the other hand, the subscript G stands for gas, representing the saturated vapor state. This is the point where the very last drop of liquid has just finished turning into steam, and it's now 100% vapor at the boiling temperature. The specific volume of this steam is called Vg. So, what is VFG? It is simply the difference between these two states. The formula is VFG equals VGVF. It represents the total change in specific volume that happens when 1 kilogram of saturated liquid completely evaporates into saturated vapor. It's the amount of expansion the substance undergoes during the boiling process. The most important use for VFG is in describing a mixture of liquid and vapor, which is what you have while the water is actively boiling. In this state, we use a concept called quality, represented by the letter X. Quality is the mass fraction of the mixture that is vapor. A quality of 0 means it's all liquid, at the VF state, and a quality of 1, or 100%, means it's all vapor, at the VG state. If the quality is 0.4, it means 40% of the mixture's mass is steam, and 60% is still liquid water. To find the total specific volume of this mixture, we use the formula, V equals VF plus X VFG. This equation tells us that the mixture's volume is the starting liquid volume, VF, plus a fraction, X, of the total possible expansion, VFG. So, VFG is the key that unlocks the properties of any substance in its boiling phase. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this explanation made the concept of VFG much clearer and less intimidating. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with anyone who might be studying thermodynamics. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps me create more educational content. See you in the next video.